brings the lead down to 2 points at 4-6.
So, Joey, the players are having to deal with the court condition, sweat on the court, the delays, albeit quite short, but still delays, re-prepare themselves. And now you're saying that the temperature on the court is definitely going to decline because of it reflects the outside temperature fall. So that's going to be very different. Who's that going to favour?
Well, this is it. If James Willstrop can get in front of Nick Matthew, it will. But at the moment, he's having to do a huge amount of work here to stay in this rally. And this is a relentless attack from Matthew.
I think you'll find a lot of applause at the end of this rally.
Oh, that is the rally of the match so far. You can hear the atmosphere here in the East Winter Garden. We had everything there. James Willstrop turning defence into attack
7-4.
and using beautiful dexterity close to the front wall. Well, Peter Parker's still really within a shout here. Being given a lot of freebies from the Frenchman.
Yeah, but he's raised his momentum, and tighter work there. Heard the sound of Greg's racket on the wall. That was Pete's racket, and
Decision on the pickup, please. Ball is good. Ball is good.
Well, Gregory Gaultier thought this was a winner. We can't see from that angle. And then Peter Parker's going in the cross-court nick.
4-all.
4-all now, Jonas, so all square in the fourth game. Now he got it. Improvisation there, a bit of the ball getting stuck in the corner, and Gaultier using his arm to get it back in play. Oh, that's great pressure from Matthew. There we have a stroke. So after Nick Matthew handing a point to Greg Gaultier with the out of court,
And out, 10-all.
Gaultier returns the favour now.
By 2 points.
So we have a tie-break situation in the first game. 10-all. Oh, that's a brilliant bit of deception there by Nick Matthew. Shaping his shoulder to look like he might snap it cross-court and then going straight down the line.
11-10. Game ball.
And game ball for Nick Matthew.